And before I get started on this unboxing, this video is dedicated to Boyd of TrrekWorks, who recently passed away. You are, with the YouTube videos that you have on your channel, you're an inspiration to many people, and Godspeed. Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, where do we start with this? This is the Polar Lights 1/350th scale U.S.S. Enterprise Constitution class model. This is sealed, that's why it's reflecting so much. I wanted one of these because I'm stupid and I want a new project. So with the end of the Enterprise D, yeah, it kind of makes perfect sense. It's Captain Kirk. This is the kit. This is the latest kit you can get. I think there's been 2 or 3 of these. I think 3. This should have got all the extra parts to make all. Oh, sorry, it is rather big. This all of the Enterprise versions, which is the second pilot, the first pilot, the one we saw, Captain Pike. It's still reflecting, isn't it? We saw Captain Pike, we saw Captain Kirk, still with those pins on there. This is more like, the middle is more like the Mirror Universe version as well. And then the actual production model itself. Running lights, windows, everything. Okay, so this is an unboxing. This is the start of the project. However, the plastic over there. However, the thing with this is I'm going to light it and I'm going to do something good with it. I'm going to display it like I have done the Enterprise D. I have the Enterprise refit 350 scale already. I probably will end up refurbing that and putting that into into a case at least, and displaying that properly. If this is too big or too long, I have IKEA bookshelves, which in between them are, I think, 78 centimeters. If this is bigger than that, I ain't gonna pray where I'm gonna put this. So that's the only problem with it. So let's open her up. Got Captain Pike on the other side, because yes, there were 3 captains, and we never really saw Captain April. So, right, can you see there? Yeah, you've got the second pilot version, which is fine. Got the grills on the back, mainly for anything. The standard production version, which I'm going to make, and then the first pilot version, which has the pointer bits, and then those plastic square bits right on the end of the nacelle caps. There's a lot more differences than that. The bridge was bigger, the dish was bigger, lots of little bits that they tweaked and changed. There are a few light kits out there to get for this. There's one of them which I wouldn't mind getting. It is the Polar Lights one, because it has the nacelles with lights inside it, and it has motors. They also have plastic parts for the nacelles, so you could make the nacelles light up. They did say, and I wasn't sure if I believed them or not, but it's true, but it did say that they wanted the nacelles to light up, but they couldn't have it because they couldn't budget for it. Now, look at this. I've got this here, and it cost me an extra little bit of money for that. If you actually got one of those lighting kits for this kit, then please get in touch and I will buy it off you for a reasonable price. Thank you. So we have lots of plastic on here, clear parts for the windows. I'll probably still use them instead of potentially resin, so that's fine. I mean, the resin, I want to resin the Enterprise D for the windows because it's such a mess. There's so many bad things with that kit. We have side parts for the neck section, some more bits there probably for the bridge or other ones. We've got some caps for the lighting, is it? For the running lights, and we have the end caps for, that's for, they've got extra parts in there, haven't we? Yes. Yeah, end cap, because you've got the flat bit and you've got a hole right in the middle of this, if you can see that through the plastic. So yes, that will put the pointy antenna bits on there, so that probably won't be used. Okay, so we have the bridge section. Look at the size, it's ridiculous. Bridge section there, some parts, that grill, I don't know where that grill goes. Some of the panel parts, looks like the back caps for putting the nacelles together, because these according to them with the lighting kit, these parts will go snug fit in, so you can take them out and redo. Back end parts for the nacelles, which I'll be using because they're those white balls at the back. We have the neck sections and the shuttle bay landing pad part. I will take these out of the bag in a moment anyway. I just need to go through all of these and have a look. 2 pylons, because we don't need any more than 2. The back end cap section, the inside of the nacelles, you put the LEDs through. Another ring there, more rings that go behind that. Some panels, I think these are the grills that go on the pylons. The back of the bridge section for the impulse engine start section. Okay, what have we got here? That's the bridge. Look at that, it's a bridge. Back of the shuttle bay. Some other parts, some of the grills. I don't know, why do they look like grills from a Klingon bird of prey? You can do these. I think the lighting kit comes with clear sections of these, because these are what they would have lit up like a normal class of starship, but it was made in the 60s. A large polar lights base with a tube, which is good because I don't have to drill anything through this for putting the lighting, for the power cable through it. Vents, don't know what these were called, can't remember, just cooling vents or something, both enough for each. Holy crap. This is ridiculously good. Got the state, got the windows. Oh, some of the windows don't look as good as, but I will be cutting like that one there. It's just not, it's got a little bit of flashing on there. I will be coming around with a little bit of a scalpel at a later time when I start this properly. Other sections for windows, the landing legs. I'm positive they were landing legs anyway. If it's not, then I do apologise. Anyway, and then we have the top side of the saucer. It's kind of scratched-ish, but it's not indented scratched. I think there was a version of this which had the lines on it, the grill lines for the, like, it's supposed to be sensor lines or something. That's going to be a problem to get out. That's a big chunk of plastic. Everything in here, because you've got all on the edge of here, you can put LEDs around the edge which will light up all of this section underneath here. You got back of here to light up outwards to these bits here and here, which is nice. Anyway, look at the size of that. I mean, yeah, ridiculously good. So, what else we got? You've got a huge deflector dish. You've got more end caps. You've got another bridge, that's way, way taller. You have the engineering section, left and right. So that comes in 2 parts, which is good. We have the deflector dish with 3 antennas. I assume that's because I will break them. No, because I think they're probably the same for here as what it would be at the end of the deflector dish. Not deflector, yeah, I'm just excited for this. The bussard collectors. So there we have a piece that's fell off, which I think is just sprue. So we have the production models for the inner section that spins round and the outer, which comes over everything. Cool. And then the nacelles. Big gap in there, but that's where one of these parts will go in, and then we'll possibly light them up. I'm undecided whether to light the nacelles up. I have the Revell one, which I did light the nacelles up for the blue on the sides. I quite like it, but it's not as original as I was hoping for, but I don't know. We're still undecided at the moment. Some of the parts on here, some clear domes, some clear lights, windows, probably to do with, I don't know. I really don't know. And there's more parts there for the running lights. Oh, actually, these are parts that go over inside of the bussard, the end cap. But they are Christmas lights. The original model had Christmas lights in it and a motor, which spun that thing round. Right. Oh, let's remove the box. The box has some nice little artwork on there. Yes, cool. As cool. Right, we have a bag of decals in here. You can just manage to see the Enterprise part there. There's a, I don't know what's in there, but also a book has, oh my god, as George Takei would say, oh my. Okay, so easy enough. I suppose first, second, third So we'll be doing production version. So sprues needed, cards necessity, yeah, amount of colours you've got, what you need for, and then the by 1, 4, 7, 9 and 0. So you just, it's all 3 instructions in one go, which I will be following the gold one, I think. Yes. Yes. Okay. And then you've got placements for, you've got a shuttle in here as well. Where's the shuttle? I mean, I think on some parts, if I get the lighting kit, you do put the main board inside here and then you push this tight fit into there, don't glue it in place. It's like you don't glue these parts in place either, because you can, any problems with the motor, you need to get access to it. Lights, yeah, we can work on that at a later date. I think templates for the, in case you want to put the grid lines on yourself. So you could easily do that. The production version had a finely drawn grid pattern. Okay, so basically you probably just need, you might just need space them out to do the straight lines, and then maybe just use a compass to do that with. So that's how the first version goes. Second version is not there, that's underside. Second version, I'm so tempted to do any of them. I mean, there's bits of dirt lines, grid lines, and then the circles on the centre there. I do not know which one to do. The rust ring on there gives you a template of where to do. You cut out all of this bit and you sit it in place on this front part where the hole is there, line things up with the 2 windows there, and then you cut this bit out and paint over. I think, but I don't know. Let's have a quick look, and I haven't got a pair of scissors nearby because now I'm underneath everything. Yes, where's the shuttle? I'm going to try and find the shuttle. Because that's definitely for the part bag for the original one of the vents. Nope. I have a hanger bay there. Back of the hanger bay, sides of the hanger bay. Probably front of the hanger bay. Is that that's not a shuttle. Now these are the end parts here for the inside of the nacelles. So when you get with the lighting kit, you have plastic parts that come with that, go over and go over, then you can light it properly. I really can't find a shuttlecraft. I thought there were one. I don't think it's going to be in one piece. I think it's going to be in a couple. Might be in here, might not even be in here. If not, I'll have to get an aftermarket shuttle bay, shuttlecrafts, and get some other stuff with it. So, if you're watching this and thinking, yep, fine, it's just not even started. No, I haven't. I'm not going to for a while yet. I've got a few other things that I need to do first, but anybody out there, firstly, if you've got a lighting kit for this, please get in touch. I would love to buy it off you. Secondly, any advice? Any brilliant YouTube channel, anything like that, then fine. Please get in touch and, yeah, help out the best you can. This is going to be a big one. This is going to be a really awkward big one. I mean, at least the size of this, if it doesn't fit in where I want it to go, then I can reduce it down, same as Enterprise D, and cut the actual stand metal part down. But to be honest, that's not really going to be that tall anyway. It's going to be up to about here. And when I'm going to do it, it's probably going to be, it might fit where I want it to go. Yeah, any advice, that'd be absolutely brilliant. So, yes. So, that in mind, thanks for watching. This is part 1 of if ever I start this. And yes, I have other models. I really should have started a long time before this. But I think I'm just excited to get going. So, yay. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye for now.